So today in this video I'm going to show you how to tighten a door strike if it's loose and if there's one screw missing, and how to fix a door strike if there's one screw missing. So I have the screw on me. Put it right there. Dropped it. There, put it. It's not the same, but that's the only guy I can find. Then there's a screwdriver. Here's the screw, and here's a screwdriver. Screw, screw, screw. There we go. That's it, and it's tight. So yeah, so in this video I showed you how to tighten, how to fix a door strike if there's one screw missing, or if it's loose, or fix it. So that's it. So like the video and subscribe. Bye guys.